Doing this one thing in the gym could increase your progress massively. Keep watching to find out. So you're going to the gym, you're working out, you feel like you're making progress. A habit you need to get out of is going into the gym, working out, and just going on whatever machine you feel like. Don't walk into the gym without a plan, whether that's a push workout, pull workout. A year into my gym journey, I used to walk into the gym, go up to any machine I wanted. I knew roughly I was going to do chest or something on that day. So I go up to the machine, work out for like 3 sets, then just walk to the next free chest machine or tricep machine there was. But the massive thing was that I didn't track what I was doing. It might seem minor and it might seem that it's not going to instantly boost you because you might think, oh, I'm already putting the weights up. But trust me, just tracking every set you do, the weight you're doing it on an app or in your notes, is massively important. I started using this app that I just randomly found on the App Store called Strong. You track your workout, you put your sets in, you put how much weight you did, and then when you work out the next time, it shows you what you did last time. This helps you hit those PRs. It helps you set PRs because you can already see what you did last session, so you can push it harder and heavier than you did last session. It's something people often forget, because then when you go to the gym next time, you go to a machine, you're like, I'm not really sure how much I could do here. Whereas if you had it tracked down, you can literally put the weight up one and go for even more reps, and it can get you a lot stronger. On this app, it has pretty much every exercise you can do in the gym on it, so you can track the weight and reps you've done on that specific machine. And if you can't find the machine that you're using, you can always create a new exercise and name it yourself. When I first started using this app, my sets were looking like this, and now my sets are looking like this. This is mainly because it ensures that you are going for heavier and heavier and heavier as the weeks go on. It allows you to see what you've done in sessions, see how you're improving over the sessions, how it makes you stronger and stronger. Doing this one thing and tracking down everything that I was doing, this helped me almost double my strength on many lifts, because you don't want to waste your time in the gym by, oh, can I do this? Yep. Oh, can I do heavier? Yep. And you're always chasing the weight you can do when you could actually just see it on your phone if you tracked it. So make sure you implement this now by using this app. It is literally just an app I found on the App Store. It can also help you keep on top of how many times you've gone to the gym a week, so you can try and hit that next level, and doesn't allow you to slip back into going through the motions just doing like 3 sets of 12. You need to be making sure that you're really struggling to get that 8th rep out on a first set of whatever weight you're doing, because there you're going to gain the most strength. You can see here how it's helped me reach another level. Before this, I was kind of just lifting and trying to do what probably most people do, and just memorize the amount they can do on certain things, and then more feel out how hard it is to know whether you should go on to the next level, whether that was with reps or whether that was with weight. To the point now where I've pretty much just maxed out some machines in the gym, because I've done this for a solid few years. If you want to see other tips on how you can maximize your growth in the gym, like creatine and pre-workout and how it can actually help you push out those last reps, then watch those videos in conjunction with this tip, and I'm sure you'll see loads of progress in a few months or weeks. Please subscribe so we can help you get better and stronger and bigger. If this helped, hit that like button. See you in the next video.